Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Jha and this is day 4 of 7 days book review challenge. Now you must be thinking day 4 ये जो day 3 था ये एक हफ्ते पहले नहीं आया था. Like a lot happened in these 7 days. I got sick, I got some new hobbies, I read this book, a lot was thing happening. So I'm so sorry for that, but I hope I will be more frequent from the next videos. So yeah, the day 4 is here. So the book that I'm reviewing today is The Palace of Illusion. It is such a hype book on YouTube and everywhere. Like, I'm a beginner, so I searched on YouTube only, and everywhere for like each and every video. For this time, like, I went and I searched books by Indian writers. Like, I really want to know how Indian writers write the books. So the first book that's come up is The Palace of Illusion. Now, what is this? This was like, according to Draupadi, how Mahabharat would look like. अगर महाभारत में हम द्रौपदी का पर्सपेक्टिव डाल देते हैं, पांचाली का पर्सपेक्टिव डाल देते हैं, तो वो कैसे लगता. दिस बुक इज़ अबाउट दैट. एंड देयर इज़ अ डिस्क्लेमर दैट कि ये बुक एक कम्प्लीटली फ्रिक्शनल बुक है. इसमें जो भी लिखा जा रहा है, इट इज़ नॉट रियल. ये इट इज़ नॉट connected to the actual Mahabharata. There's a lot of points. The most specific point that was arising each time, that Draupadi always loved Karn, and it was something very new for me क्योंकि मैंने महाभारत पढ़ी नहीं है, देखी है, और जैसे मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बताया था, बट इट्स समथिंग वेरी न्यू कि it is actually there. So I went on Google and I searched that, and Google even told me नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. There's no such description in the actual Mahabharat कि she loved Karn or not. So it's complete fictional book. अगर इसको ये दिमाग से मत पढ़ना कि ऐसा रियल में हो रहा है, but the characters are real, something are real, and her life, her childhood was presented in it, the way she already knew a lot of things gonna happen with her. ये सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बताया गया है. Now, if you will ask for review, it is one of the hardest book, I would say, I read out of few books that I read already. Hard मैं क्यों बोलूँगी? Because I asked my father, like, the language is very hard. So he actually explained it in very pretty way कि क्यों इसकी language इतनी hard है. So he made me sit with him, and he forced me to watch video of Ramayana, like some episode, and in which it was in Hindi actually. So while I was watching that video, I got to know that there's a lot of words that I couldn't understand, even if it's Hindi. So my father told me that the way people used to speak at that time was way different than the way we are speaking now. It's not only in Hindi but also in English. So जब हमें हिंदी के ही बहुत सारे वर्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहे, तो ऑब्वियसली इंग्लिश के वो सारे वर्ड समझने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. मे बी आई एम ऑल्सो न्यू, तो मेरे को और ज़्यादा मुश्किल लग रहा था ये सारी चीज़ें. अगर आपका कमांड अच्छा है तो मे बी आपके लिए ईजी रहेगा. नाउ इट इज़ अ बिगनर फ्रेंडली और नॉट, मेरे हिसाब से तो बिगनर फ्रेंडली नहीं था, बट अच्छी किताब है. अगर आप इंटरमीडिएट लेवल पे भी हो तो आई गेस इट इज़ क्वाइट फन. मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा मज़ा आया था. एंड वाइल रीडिंग दिस बुक आई रियली गेन अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर पांचाली. मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा था इस बुक को पढ़ते हुए कि हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर वॉज पांचाली. और उनको we always like feel when we hear Panchali or Draupadi in the mind, the only thing that happened is कि उनकी वजह से महाभारत हुई थी, that's all. But she was a lot more than that. She was a great warrior. जब हम वॉरियर की बात करते हैं, इट्स नॉट अबाउट वॉर. आई फील दिस बुक presented Draupadi as one of the most strongest person with the mind. आप हमेशा हाथ पैर से लड़ाई नहीं करते हो. She was a very smart person, I would say. And और while reading the book मुझे बहुत सारे sections ऐसे feel हो रहे थे जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये book बहुत slow जा रही है. मुझे लग रहा था कि book बहुत fast जा रही है. This should be slow or this should be fast. But it's according to the pace. जहाँ कभी लगेगा कि ये बहुत slow है और ये कभी लगेगा कि बहुत fast हो रहा है. But it's always on the pace. It's always according to the flavor. Now, ratings की अगर मैं इसकी बात करूँ, so I will rate this book definitely 5 out of 5. मुझे ये book एक बार और पढ़ना है to understand it more. As I said, ये book मुझे थोड़ी hard लगी थी, so I need to read it one more time to understand the deep concept. इतना तो मुझे ये book पढ़ के इतना समझ में आया कि I need to read it once again. मैंने जब ये मेरी आदत है जब भी I complete a book, I put it on my Instagram story, and while I was putting, I even wrote it down like in the comments place कि I need to read it once again. And it was true, I need to read it once again. There's a lot of section जहाँ मुझे ऐसा feel होता है कि there is a lot more to understand than the way I am understanding. मुझे जितना समझ में आया उससे बहुत ज़्यादा है उसमें समझने के लिए. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.